Hi guys, and we're back again to our channel. So on today's vlog, I'm going to cook a Filipino beef soup recipe called Bulalo. It's perfect for cold weather, guys. I know that every Filipino family have their own version on cooking this dish. So come and join me on cooking mine. Keep on watching! Yes guys, I'm really excited on cooking this recipe because I'm going to let my husband taste my favorite Filipino beef soup. And you know what guys, the ingredients we need here are really simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fill my cooking pot with water and let it boil. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to add the beef. So I have here guys about a pound of lean beef meat. And I also have here an extra beef bones. And some of them has some bone marrow inside. This is optional guys. If you want a beef bones in your soup and if you want an extra taste, you can add this ingredient. After that, we let it simmer for about 1 hour. While waiting for the beef to cook and tenderize, here are the rest of the ingredients we need. So we're gonna be needing some green vegetables. So I have here pechay or bok choy. You can add that one too, whichever available to your region. I love bean sprout, so I'm adding it in my soup, and this is an optional ingredient guys. I have here corn on a cob, some cabbage, whole peppercorn, broth cubes, salt, and lots of onion, and a small portion of ginger. So after an hour of simmering the beef, this is how it looks like. It's not yet tender and cooked, but for now, I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the onions, ginger, spices, and the corn. Add water if needed guys, but make sure you will add a hot water in it so the temperature will stay the same. And we're going to simmer it again for another 1 hour. So guys, after 2 hours of simmering, the beef is now cooked and tender. And even the other ingredients are well cooked. The taste of the soup is really good, and even the smell of the beef soup is really amazing. I hope you can smell it too. So here's my version of beef bulalo recipe, ready to serve and to enjoy. But as you notice guys, the green vegetables is not in the soup right now because I'm going to put them in the bowl while serving the soup so that it will not overcook. But before that, I'm just going to blanch the cabbage, pechay, and the bean sprout so it gets a little bit softened. So here's my veggies right in my bowl. And the next thing to do is to pour in the hot soup over it. And tada! Here's my beef bulalo, ready to enjoy! I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, click the notification bell so that you are always updated every time I have new upload, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful guys, keep smiling! Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!